In this video, I want to give an update on what's been happening at Uptick in the month of July 2023. Let's go. Here's the July 2023 Uptick Roundup. Uptick Ecosystem Developer Platform launched, Game of NFTs Uptick Track winners, Uptick Airdrop Supplementary campaign launched, Uptick NFT Marketplace updates, Creator Onboarding Program winners, Uptick Curated, Guides and Tutorials, How to Get Uptick for Gas, and finally, 12 NFT trends for 2023 and beyond. First up, Uptick Ecosystem Developer Platform launched. Uptick is thrilled to announce the recent launch of the Uptick Ecosystem Developer Platform, offering a comprehensive resource for community members and ecosystem developers looking to build on the Uptick network. This platform provides an extensive range of documentation, tools, and services to enable developers to create innovative Web3 applications that leverage the infrastructure modules, protocols, and middleware of the Uptick network. The platform consists of the following elements. First up, knowledge base, a comprehensive overview of the working principles, protocol rules, and data structure of the Uptick chain. This resource aims to equip developers, validators, delegators, and users with the essential knowledge and guidance needed to effectively understand and utilize the Uptick chain. Next, developer guide. Tailored specifically for full-stack developers, providing in-depth information on developing, customizing, and operating the Uptick chain. It equips developers with the extensive knowledge and tools required to build, deploy, and maintain their own blockchain applications, services, and tools on the Uptick infrastructure. This is what it looks like on the Uptick.network website. You can see it from the left, knowledge base. Next, developer guide. On the right, Web3 Application Developer Hub. Let's talk about the Web3 Application Developer Hub, an all-in-one solution for Web3 developers, designed for developers focusing on client-side application-specific logics, user interfaces, and flows without prior blockchain and middleware development experience. This hub offers extensive documentation, tutorials, samples, and various services. These resources facilitate a quick understanding and enable developers to start developing Web3 applications with ease. For a complete overview, I'll put that in the show notes. Next is Game of NFTs Uptick Track winners. All right. With the recent conclusion of the Game of NFTs hackathon, Uptick is excited to announce the winners of the Uptick Chain track. This hackathon was a two-phase interchain event that aimed to test the interchain NFTs ICS 721 technology through incentivized testnets in Phase 1 and build innovative dApps on top of it in Phase 2. The winning projects are as follows. Interchain Marketplace. Interchain Marketplace, a fully decentralized platform for secure and efficient NFT digital asset trading. Features support for ICS 721 cross-chain functionality and also enables the conversion of Cosmos SDK and EVM NFTs, making it a valuable addition to the Uptick chain and IrisNet marketplaces. Boom. Next is CreditWise, a decentralized finance or DeFi platform for NFTs that offers decentralized loan management services. This project focuses on collateralizing NFTs for fungible token loans. Nice. Next is Unicard, a digital card wallet that supports the creation of rights-based NFTs on multiple blockchains and enables cross-chain transferability. The project utilizes the ICS 721 cross-chain feature, allowing users to create rights-based NFTs and use them for specific goods and services. Moving right along. ICS Scan. IC Scan? ICS Scan? An interchain explorer that provides seamless transparency and accurate display of ICS 721 transaction information for the Cosmos ecosystem. This is a necessary tool for the interchain ecosystem. Next up, Crowd Control Chain Wars, a cross-chain NFT game that allows players to engage in thrilling battles between NFTs from different chains. The project has proven itself to be a unique and compelling use case for the ICS 721 cross-chain application scenario. Looking good. Next, NFT CLI, an interactive command line tool for interacting with interchain NFTs in the Cosmos ecosystem. The NFT CLI tool utilizes 721 functions and provides an important utility for managing NFTs with IBC transfer functionality. Nice. Last one, Uptick Inner Collection, a UI for displaying Uptick NFT collections and enabling the transfer of NFTs on the same or different chains through IBC transfer. This project emphasizes the need for a good user experience in the interchain application scenario and has plans to integrate more blockchains in the future. Awesome. Okay, moving along. Next up, Uptick Airdrop Supplementary campaign launched. The Uptick Supplementary Airdrop campaign was successfully launched. This campaign gave participants another opportunity to claim 50% of the airdrop they may have missed during the initial distribution. Sweet. Next, Uptick NFT Marketplace updates. Let's check it out. This month, Uptick introduced several new features and updates consisting of optimized navigation. Looking good. Folder optimization. Okay. Optimized property setting. Yep. Discounted sale countdown display. Collection preview mode. Yeah. And cookie authorization. Looking good. All right, next topic is Creator Onboarding Program winners. After the successful launch of the Uptick Chain Marketplace, Uptick decided to put out a call to the community in order to attract new creators to the marketplace. The premise was a simple one. Launch a collection on UptickNFT.com, and if selected, you can receive 2,000 Uptick in prizes, along with several promotional elements. This month, July 2023, Uptick awarded the creator Abstract Loop 3D. Abstract Loop 3D is a digital artist hailing from Mexico and submitted a wonderful collection titled Fashion Spheres. This collection is described in his own words as a surreal dream where fashion and spheres intertwine with 10 captivating art pieces that defy convention. Congrats. Uptick's blog is maintained on the Medium platform, and it's great. Just in case you don't know, if you want to find stuff on there, you got to search for it. For example, when I wanted to find this poster for the Creator Onboarding Program winner, I typed this in the search bar, and I could find number 3, number 2, number 1. Just got to use that search bar. It's not that hard. So if you want to find out more information about Uptick on their Medium blog, be sure to use that search bar. Here you can see winner number 1, Amazable. Winner number 2, Protocol Eve. And as I just mentioned, winner number 3, Abstract Loop 3D. Once again, this is connected to the Uptick Creator Onboarding Program. More details can be found on the UptickNFT.com website under the Promo tab. All right, next one, Uptick Curated. Uptick Curated is a monthly highlight article that showcases a carefully curated collection of the best NFTs from the past month on the Uptick NFT Marketplace. Uptick's team of experts scours the marketplace to discover the most extraordinary artwork, find out the inspiration behind the works, and then promote to the community. These selections represent what Uptick feels is the pinnacle of artistic expression within the community. Next up, guides and tutorials, how to get Uptick for gas. In this comprehensive guide, Uptick provides step-by-step instructions on how you can obtain free gas to mint your NFTs on the Uptick NFT Marketplace. Uptick understands that gas fees can be a significant barrier for creators looking to showcase their work, and Uptick wants to remove friction and empower users with the knowledge and ability to overcome this obstacle. By following their guide, you'll discover how to access free gas, allowing you to share your unique creations with the world and kickstart your creative journey in the Uptick ecosystem. Gas refers to the amount of computing work required to perform specific operations on the blockchain network, and each transaction on the chain requires computing resources to execute. Therefore, when you conduct on-chain transactions on the Uptick chain, you need to pay a certain amount of Uptick in order to initiate the transaction. For newcomers, the faucet is very important. It gives users small amounts of tokens that can be used as gas to complete transactions, ensuring they do not run out and can complete their transactions without any issues. Currently, newcomers can obtain Uptick tokens via the following 2 faucets: Uptick Chain Marketplace faucet and Stakely faucet. As I said a little earlier, if you're trying to find out more information about Uptick on Medium, be sure to use that search bar. In this case, I typed in Uptick Guide, and it gave me creating your first Uptick chain account, launch a collection on Uptick in 5 steps, and more. Here's the guide on creating your first Uptick chain account, creating your wallet, connecting to Uptick chain, connecting to Uptick Marketplace account, and more. Okay, last one. 12 NFT trends for 2023 and beyond. This was a great article about various NFT trends. Be sure to read it or watch the video version I made. Link in the show notes below. July was a great month for Uptick, and I can't wait to see what they accomplish in August. Take care.